Hello and thanks for joining me. Well, this is going to be kind of a preview video. I've got several things lined up to do and I'm not sure what order they're going to happen in. One thing I'm going to do is put flood coolant on this mill. I really like the way the high-speed steel end mills perform, so the high-speed steel needs some good coolant. So that's going to be one project coming up. I just got in a DRO, all three axis, the knee, X and Y. I don't have a downfeed DRO, so it's three axis. So we're going to put that on. And I've got a Harding cataract lathe to restore, and that's going to be a big project. I've got some three-phase motors I was thinking about putting on it, but I don't know if I'll go that route. They're older three-phase, and I don't know how they'll run with a VFD. It's kind of a new territory for me. But anyway, let me show you the lathe. There's the lathe right there. It's got a full set of collets. I think it's missing one collet. It's overall in pretty good shape. I've got a tailstock for it. I got to build a stand for it. Let me show you what else comes with it. This is a box full of goodies that I got with the lathe. It's actually got two compounds in there, one there and one there. There's a steady rest there. Four-jaw chuck. It's a faceplate, I think. And this tailstock is in really bad shape. It's been fixed very poorly right there. That's the spindle for it. Hasn't got any kind of locking mechanism. I may end up getting another tailstock for it like that. But I got a friend that sent me a turret tailstock for this lathe. And I'm going to open it up right now. He just shipped it to me from New York. And I haven't opened the package yet, so we're going to do that right now. Take a look at this turret tailstock. Okay, I'm getting kind of excited about this. I've started to open it, and then I thought, well, I'll catch this on video. Really don't know what I'm getting into here. Wow, look at that. Look at that. That's an excellent condition. On to the next box. And this one's really heavy, so this is probably the upper part of the turret, I'm sure. Wow, he really packed this thing. Wow. Amazing packing job. Look at this. Make sure there's nothing else in this box. Nope, that's it. Of course, I've got to figure out how to put this thing together, but I don't think that will be a problem. Very nice. I don't know what these goodies are. They're related to the tailstock. It's like Christmas time. Oh, that's a bandsaw blade guide bracket he wants me to repair. Probably won't make a video on that. Let's see what this is. Definitely a dull pocket knife. This is all the extra parts to the turret. Those are the depth stops, I presume, to the turret. It looks like some important parts. Don't know exactly what they are just yet. We'll figure it out. Oh, that goes on the bed of the lathe, I believe. I don't know. We'll figure it out though. Very interesting. Well made too. Yeah, I'm going to go through all that and make sure I found all the parts in those packages before I dispose of the package. But that's one big project coming up. And here's the next project coming up, and I'm not going to unpack all of this, but I will give you a brief preview. There's my DROs. And there's the display screen, mounting brackets. And I'm not going to open it until I'm getting ready to install it. But anyway, that about wraps up the preview. Join me in the future for the lathe rebuild, DRO install, and coolant install on my Wells Index mill. Thanks for joining me. Be sure and subscribe and ring that bell.